Okay, hello students. So today we will discuss about the unit conversions. Okay, of conversion of unit. We are having a wonderful mnemonic for the conversion of unit, the basic unit which we are using. So let us start the video. First thing you have to learn is that about the mnemonic. So the mnemonic I am writing here, and I am writing it in the vertically. The great man King Arthur, the great man King Henry the great man King Henry's daughter Beth drinks cold milk until 9 p.m. Until 9 p.m. Simply you have to learn this mnemonic only. The great man King Henry's daughter Beth drinks cold milk until 9 p.m. So I'm just writing the first letters of this mnemonic. The first letter is T, great first letter is G. So T stand for first I am writing this man, the first letter is M, and King stand for K, Henry it is H, but this K is basically small k and small h, daughter, so this is D A, and Beth stand for base. I will tell you what is base. And then drinks small d, cold small c. First letters I am writing milk small m, and until basically we are talking about u, but with this like this is a sign of micro, and 9 small n, and pm stand for small p. So these are basically the symbols. These are the symbols. So T is the symbol of Tera, G is the symbol of Giga, M is the symbol of Mega, small k is the symbol of Kilo, and H is the symbol of Hecto, and then DA is Deca basically, and this is base, and D for Deci, and then Centi, M for Milli. This is micro. Micro is represented with the symbol mu. This is a Greek symbol, that is mu, and this is nano, and this is pico. So with this, basically if we start with the base is basically 10 to the power 0, and if we move upwards, that is from base we are moving to deca, so that is 10 to the power 1, hecto, that is 10 to the power 2, kilo is 10 to the power 3, mega is 10 to the power 6, giga is 10 to the power 9, and tera is 10 to the power 12. Now we are going down. So deci is 10 to the power minus 1, centi is 10 to the power minus 2, milli is 10 to the power minus 3, and after that is micro. Micro is 10 to the power minus 6, and nano is 10 to the power minus 9, and pico is 10 to the power minus 12. So this is the entire mnemonic basically. Okay, just you have to simply learn this. The great man, King Henry's daughter, Beth drinks cold milk until 9 p.m. The great man, King Henry's daughter, Beth drinks cold milk until 9 p.m. And simply then base is 10 to the power 0, deca is 10 to the power 1, Henry is 10 to the power 2, king is 10 to the power 3 kilo, mega 10 to the power 6, giga 10 to the power 9, tera 10 to the power 12, deci 10 to the power minus 1, centi 10 to the power minus 2, milli 10 to the power minus 3, micro 10 to the power minus 6, nano 10 to the power minus 9, and pico is 10 to the power minus 12. Now how this conversion works? So if you get the suffix, like in any of the base values. Now what will be the base values? Base values can be meter, okay, it can be gram, it can be second. So these are called the base values. Okay, so if I am saying meter, gram, second, these are the base values. Now whenever we are having, and rest all are the suffix. Okay, suffix are those things which are applied before the base values. They are called suffix. Like for example, if I am writing kilogram, so kilo is the suffix, gram is the base value. So kilo means 10 to the power 3. So 1 kilogram is equal to 10 to the power 3 gram. Okay. Similarly, if I say 1 milligram, so 1 milligram will be equal to 10 to the power minus 3. 1 milligram is equal to 10 to the power minus 3 grams. Or we can also say that 1 upon 1000 grams. Okay. Similarly, if I say microgram, so microgram is 1 upon 10 to the power 6 grams. Similarly, we can take some other values, like if I say, like we say the second value as meter, so we can take if I take the value of area as hectare is 100 into 100 meters. Hectare is 10 to the power 2. 1 hectare is equal to 100 into 100 meter. Hectagram is equal to 10 to the power 2 gram. Similarly, if I say let's say decimeter, so decimeter will be what? 1 decimeter. Deci is 10 to the power minus 1, 1 upon 10 meters. Hope you have understood how to use these unit conversions. These you people are using this unit conversion before also, but some of the students, even the class 6, 7th, 8 onwards, class 5 onwards, students get confused and they get the difficulty learning these units. So for this I have made this mnemonic, that is for learning the unit conversion mnemonic. Okay, hope you have understood. Thank you. Thank you all.